So I got into some action that I wasn't expecting. Largemouth bass action here at the Charles River Dam. Charles River Watertown Dam. I have on a blue and black whopper plopper. And he bit about 5 feet from shore. I thought it was only like 3 inches of water there. I was about to pull it up, but he pulled it down. Alright, buddy. So this is a nice little 2-pounder here. Good catch. And he's gone. Now, this makes me think. Can't see my head. Came here looking for striped bass, which I caught about a week and a half ago, but the river has slowed down its flow because it hasn't rained in a while. The heat's gone up, the water level's gone down a foot, and now a lot of the places I was getting those bites from are exposed rocks. So obviously I can't catch anything on top of them anymore. So where are the striper? Well, we just figured out where the largemouth bass are. They're still ambushing them in the shallows. But if the largemouth, and maybe what I've heard, the smallmouth are in the shallows, the striper must be in the deep. So I'm gonna try to figure out where they are. Fish number 2, almost the same spot. Biting off more than it can chew. I won't believe the size of this one. Look at that. Why is this smallmouth trying to eat this whopper blopper? Get out of here. Little rugrats. When they see a meal, they don't think. That is evidence that they aren't thinking. Those are reaction bites. They see a blueback herring, they don't care if it's small, they don't care if it's big, they're gonna attack it. Now, I'm wondering if the blueback herring around here aren't jumping because they're having a jolly good time. It's because they're getting attacked by big things, by small things, by things they don't even see, and they jump first and think later because those fish aren't thinking. If you're wondering why I'm cutting the chase, I don't want to have those long, drawn-out videos where you have to like scan through to find the good content. You're only going to get the good content, and none of me jabbering. So let's stop it here. So I threw deeper into the corner here of my spot, which is where the rocks are exposed coming down from the Watertown Dam, and there's trees on the left, and there's open water, and it looks like 4, maybe 5 inches. And I threw it all the way up against the rocks, pulled it, and then bloosh, I see a strike, a boil. I jerked, I missed it. I cast back. It plops in the water. I see a tail flip out of the water. Not a herring tail. I'm talking like 1-2 pound, maybe largemouth or smallmouth. Not a striped bass. Swipe at it, and I miss him again. And then I throw a third time, and I see another boil. And after that, I can't find him anymore. I tried like 12 times. Don't know what happened. But they're sitting in the shallows here, just like I just stated. And I'm seeing blue herring jump everywhere, but mostly in the current. But I'm catching a largemouth and smallmouth out of the current. So still don't know where those stripers are, but still looking. I think I found him. Yeah. Come on. Woo. Whopper plopper for the win. It's gonna get me wet and hooked. There he is. I'm on one again. I'm on him. Striped bass action. I was getting a phone call in the middle of that. Who is distracting me? I'm on the fish, baby. Oh. Let's see. There we go. Little small one. A slat. Probably about 19 inches. Last one was 21. It's looking good. It's gonna go. And good fun here. What are you doing? Uh-oh.